Welcome back, house hunters. Today we will look at 3 stunning properties in the beautiful central Italian region of Abruzzo, all for sale for less than 50,000 euros. Over the past year, I've been exploring some of the most exciting property opportunities across Italy, and today I'm excited to share a few of the best countryside properties right here. Whether you're looking to get out of the city or just live somewhere with beautiful surroundings and a slower pace of life, one of these properties will fit the bill, all below 50,000 euros. If you're considering living or investing in Italy, make sure to check out my Italy playlist and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Now let's dive in and take a look. Today we are back exploring the wonderful region of Abruzzo. Abruzzo is a region in central Italy due to its location, but culturally has always been considered a region of southern Italy. It has a population of 1.3 million people and an area of 10,000 square kilometers. Abruzzo is divided into 4 provinces: Chieti, L'Aquila, which holds the region's capital and second largest city of the same name, Pescara, and Teramo. Abruzzo borders Marche to the north, Lazio to the west and northwest, Molise to the south, and the Adriatic Sea to the east. Abruzzo is divided into a mountainous area in the west, which includes the highest massifs of the Apennines, and a coastal area in the east. It is known as the greenest region in Europe, as half of the territory is protected through national parks and nature reserves, making this an incredible escape for nature lovers. Abruzzo is one of Italy's most underrated treasures, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, rich history, and authentic Italian living. From its golden Adriatic beaches to the dramatic peaks of the Apennines, the region feels like several destinations in one. Visitors can explore famous sites like the medieval fortress of Roccacalascio, the stunning Trabocchi coast, and the historic city of L'Aquila, each showcasing Abruzzo's unique charm. It's a place where travelers fall in love, and many decide they never want to leave. Ofena is a hidden gem in Italy's Gran Sasso e Monti della Laga National Park. It's the kind of place where history, nature, and tranquility meet beautifully. Walking through its medieval village, you'll find charming stone houses, a historic church, and narrow streets that tell stories of centuries past. For nature lovers, the surrounding hills, forests, and clear rivers offer peaceful hiking, fresh air views, and true escape from the everyday bustle. Ofena is surrounded by centuries-old traditions, especially olive growing and winemaking. The area produces rich, extra virgin olive oil and standout local wines like Montepulciano d'Abruzzo and Pecorino. Visiting or living here means enjoying these authentic tastes right at the source, from fresh olive oil to mountain-grown wines that reflect the valley's unique character. First up, we have a lovely detached house spread over 3 levels with a garage on the bottom level, 2 balconies with lovely views, and is around 90 square meters in size. Now we head up 1 level to the lovely living room. The room has nice tiles on the floor, is in good condition, and is bright with access to the balcony. The balcony is small, but perfect for a coffee in the morning or letting in some fresh air. Next to the living room is a small but functional kitchen. It could probably use some reworking or updating to utilize this space the best way possible. and then we head upstairs to the bedroom. The bedroom is a good size and is bright with glass door leading to its own balcony as well. The bathroom is also on this level with a bathtub and shower. The balcony has lovely views and perfect to enjoy an evening wine. Back on the ground floor is the garage. This is a big space, perfect for some storage or possibly a small car. Ofena is a beautiful town with beautiful surroundings, with many restaurants in the area and shops as well. There is a vet nearby, pharmacy, schools, sports centers, and golf clubs. The nearest train station is in Popoli, just over 20 minutes away. You can also head to the region's capital, L'Aquila, in an hour for a lovely day out. You can also get to the beautiful coastal city of Pescara for those who wish to spend some time on the Adriatic Sea. For outdoor lovers, the Parco Naturale Regionale Serente Velino is a 45-minute drive away as well, with plenty of hiking and outdoor activities. And for those history buffs, Italy's capital of Rome is only around a 2-hour drive. The nearest ski resort is always close by, and you can get to the coast in under an hour. And there is a hospital in the area. Unfortunately, there aren't any bus stops in town, so you'll need a car. But there are bus stops and train stations that are only a short drive away. The nearest airport in Pescara can be reached in around an hour as well. This property is for sale for 34,000 euros, or around $39,000. This is an incredible deal for a recently renovated large detached house that's ready to move in with a garage. This could make a great holiday let due to its fantastic central location and natural beauty. Nestled between the mountains of the Abruzzo region and fed by natural springs, Popoli Terme is known as the City of Water, where soothing sulfurous springs meet medieval history. For ultimate relaxation, the spa complex Terme in Popoli draws visitors with its therapeutic, sulfurous waters, modern wellness facilities, and a surrounding park perfect for unwinding. After a soothing soak, strolling through Popoli's old town, with its ancient palaces, churches, and cobbled streets, gives a real sense of its layered history. A must-see is Castello Cantelmo. Its ruins, perched on a rocky hill above the town, offer sweeping views over rivers and valley below. Next up, we have a lovely apartment in a beautiful historic building located on the second level with a single bedroom and bathroom, large kitchen, and 2 balconies. The inside and outside of the building is beautiful. We step inside to the large living room dining room area. This space is bright and airy with a big window and has lovely tiles on the floor as well. Next, there is an eat-in kitchen. The kitchen has lovely dark wood cabinets and nice tiles on the floor as well. There is also space to do laundry and glass doors leading to the balcony, letting in fresh air. The views from the balcony are pretty nice as well. There is also a small storage room in the kitchen as well you could use as a pantry. The bedroom is big and has the same tiles as the living room, and there are floor-to-ceiling wardrobes in here too. You also have access to a separate balcony here as well, keeping the room bright and fresh. The views are perfect for enjoying a morning coffee and taking in the surroundings. Last, we have a lovely tiled bathroom with a large open stand-up shower. Popoli Terme is a fantastic location with everything you need, including many restaurants right in town, and plenty of restaurants as well. There is a vet, pharmacies, schools, sports centers, horse riding, and golf clubs. There is even a train station and bus stops in town, making getting around the area and to other parts of Italy a breeze. You can drive to the beautiful Adriatic coastal city of Pescara in under 40 minutes, or get there by train in just 1 hour. We can also visit the region's wonderful capital of L'Aquila in around 1 hour by car, or even take the train and get there in around 1.5 hours. For outdoor lovers, Parco Natural Regional Serene Velino is only a 20-minute drive away, meaning you are never far from incredible outdoor activities. From here, you can also visit Rome in around 2 hours by car, or even get there in around 3 hours by public transport. There is always a ski resort close by. From here, you are only 40 minutes to the coast. There is a hospital round the corner, and the nearest airport is in Pescara, which you can reach by car in 40 minutes or by train in an hour. This property is for sale for 40,000 euros or around $46,000. This is a great deal for an apartment that needs little to no work and is in a well-connected town in a fantastic central location. This would also make a great holiday let due to the train links, location, and beautiful surroundings. Nestled high in the peaks of Gran Sasso e Monte della Laga National Park, Castel del Monte feels like a living medieval fairy tale, with its tightly clustered stone houses, arched passageways, winding alleys, and ancient towers rising above mountain valley views. The heart of the village invites you to wander, explore historic landmarks like the old gates, the venerable Chiesa di San Marco Evangelista, and a detailed open-air museum trail that showcases traditional sheep herding, wool and cheese making, once the lifeblood of the village. But what truly sets Castel del Monte apart is its living heritage. In mid-August, the village transforms into a stage for La Notte del Streghe, Night of the Witches, a theatrical reenactment of ancient folklore. Locals and visitors alike wander through moonlit alleys woven with stories, legends, and the magic of old traditions. Our last property today is a lovely, renovated, and self-contained one-bedroom apartment on the second floor, which has a balcony with amazing views, an attic space, a cellar, and is 50 square meters of space. There's a small, retractable ladder that will take you up to the attic space. It is an open-plan living room, dining room, kitchenette. The whole apartment is in great condition with good quality finishes and new PVC double glazing windows with outside iron shutters. There is a small room next to the kitchen which has a nice little space for laundry. The balcony is small but has incredible views and is south-facing. It is perfect for letting in light and some fresh air and enjoying a glass of wine while looking at the beautiful scenery. The bathroom has tiles throughout, and the bedroom is a good size as well. The apartment also has an independent boiler with convectors. Castel del Monte is in a beautiful area with restaurants in town and shops as well. There is a vet, pharmacy, schools, sports center, horse riding, and golf clubs. You can drive to L'Aquila for a day out or for anything you can't find locally in an hour. Or head to Pescara to visit the beautiful Adriatic coast in an hour and 15 minutes. The nearest bus and train station stop is in Bussi, which is around a 45-minute drive away, so you will need a car to live in this village. Outdoor enthusiasts can head to the Parco Naturale Regionale Serente Velino in around an hour for some incredible scenery and hiking trails. Or you can make your way to Italy's bustling capital in around 2 hours and 45 minutes to soak in some architecture and history. There is a ski resort close by. You can make it to the coast in about an hour, and there is a hospital in the area, and the nearest airport in Pescara is only an hour and 15-minute drive away, keeping you well connected to the outside world. This property is for sale for €45,000 or around $52,000. This is a great deal for someone looking for a lovely turnkey-ready apartment with a balcony and south-facing windows in a beautiful and historic area. Which of these lovely Abruzzo properties, surrounded by nature and majestic mountains, would you buy? Was it the cozy one-bedroom in Castel del Monte or the spacious restored detached house in Ofena? Personally, I loved the amazing deal for the larger detached house with a garage. Share your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every week. And if you're craving more Italian dream homes, check out my other videos right here. Until next time, happy house hunting!